We humans have a habit of looking at our skyscrapers, our supply chains, and our satellites and concluding that we own this planet. We assume our ability to build complex technology and manipulate the environment makes us the absolute masters of Earth. From that towering perspective, everything else looks small. We tend to view the insect world, the ants marching across the sidewalk, the flies buzzing at the window, the mosquitoes, as random, chaotic pests. They are background noise. The Qur'an describes these microscopic creatures as distinct, organized nations. It suggests that even in what looks like a chaotic swarm, there is a layer of structure that we often overlook. When we compare human societal systems, our traffic, our economies, our politics, to the ancient programming language running these tiny creatures, a difficult question emerges. If the smallest, most seemingly primitive things on Earth are the ones hardwired to maintain the planet's balance, then our sense of absolute dominance is based on a misunderstanding of how the system works. This schematic represents a closed-loop system, an unbroken circuit where a specific input automatically yields a flawless output. Biologically, this is known as innate guidance, or fitra. Every creature is given a physical form matched to an embedded, inescapable functional directive. The bee operates within this loop. It does not attend school to learn structural engineering for its hexagonal hives, nor does it study chemistry to synthesize gathered nectar into medicinal honey. It is driven by an innate biological revelation, a hardwired inspiration to act. The ant operates on a similar, yet highly social code. It lacks human-like consciousness, but possesses a capacity for collective awareness and sophisticated threat assessment. This map shows the network topology of an ant colony. It mirrors the Quranic account of Solomon's army approaching a valley, where a single ant detects danger and instantly propagates a warning signal. That one node alters the behavior of the entire mass to avoid accidental destruction. Human beings rely on trial, error, and accumulated knowledge to build our societies. These insect systems bypass the error phase completely. They achieve precision because their code is fixed from the moment they exist. This innate guidance ensures they execute their roles. Their survival and the extreme efficiency of their labor are guaranteed by their biology. To put human technological limits in perspective, we can use the common housefly as a benchmark. Even with our most advanced materials, robotics, and artificial intelligence, constructing the biological machinery of a single fly from scratch, its compound eyes, its aerodynamic wings, its instant reflex circuits, remains beyond our capability. We often build structures of wealth and power, believing they make us invincible. The spider spins a web of incredible material strength relative to its size, yet as a shelter against heat, cold, or serious threat, it is highly fragile, a reminder of false security. Look closely at the ground and the air. Bees are pollinating the crops. Ants are aerating the topsoil. Microbes are recycling decay into nutrients. Plants are producing fresh oxygen. This flowchart visualizes the macro ecosystem. While every individual insect seems to be acting alone, their innate programming locks them into a single planetary-scale dependency network. Their outputs directly become the critical inputs for global survival. Earth functions without human intervention. This first operating system is entirely self-sustaining, kept in balance by creatures that do not possess the capacity to choose otherwise. Here we see an open-loop system. Notice the manual switch in the middle, labeled choice. This represents the human operating system. We are an anomaly in nature because our circuit includes intellect, language, and free will. Our output is never guaranteed. Because of this open loop, we are not like the bee or the ant. We are not locked into automatic biological perfection. We have the capacity to make mistakes, to ignore our environment, or to intentionally alter it. This brings us to the Quranic concept of khilafa, or stewardship. It means we hold the earth in trust. We are administrators placed within a pre-existing system, rather than absolute owners with the right to dominate it. That free will is a double-edged sword. We are the only creature on this planet with the power to break the natural balance. But that very choice also makes us the only creature capable of consciously choosing to protect it. Aligning with this role requires us to stop measuring a creature's value strictly by its physical size.
The insect world maintains the Earth's balance through a blind, flawless instinct. Humanity, holding that manual switch, must secure the planet's future through conscious, moral awareness.